Mark.
And I'm Scarlett.
You may remember me from the 5-minute Lego challenge. Now we're back again to build a SodaCan Robot. This is our project, our SodaCan Robots. But we don't drink soda, but our parents do. And now we're gonna make these SodaCan Robots. Wow, that was a hard box to open. And these are all the things inside. 2 arms, 2 pairs of hair, a silly mustache, funny glasses, lips, a name tag, and clamps. Our mom and dad painted these soda cans. Mine is blue and Scarlett's is red.
No free advertising.
Let's build! My robot's name is Mr. Funny Guy. He loves to just walk around and just chase people like a zombie, like this. He's really ridiculous though.
My robot's name is Cutie Pie. Boy and a girl. She has 2 sets of lips and curly hair like me. She likes to dance.
Well, that's it for our robots. Maybe you'll build one of your own. Thanks for watching. Please follow, subscribe, and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye. La, la, la.